Wow, I'm up here for no reason. Hello so-called best friend UWO.
Definitely not up here cause you stole my crush and definitely not here to push you.
Traitor, I trusted you, you monster.
Knew my best friend is gonna fall, guess I'm gonna fall too even though I can summon the hybrid dragon thingy.
Cries for help.
WHYDIDU jump, just summon him, just say
Because I definitely love you BFFO.
Like tax
Oh
true,
well.
you push me.
Oh, the prince is here to save me. I mean us, I mean me, just me.
I don't save traitors and hobos, you must fall. I only save dumb people on buildings for no reason.
Why away.